just a little, but a whole shitload. And right here, we're fixing to get to that point to where we're going to see the downflow of how far down it is from this area right here to down below. You'll see what I mean when we get there. It's just really high up. Get up here, we'll pause it so you can see it a little bit longer. Now, this is the edge where they're building the wall. It looks as if they're going to stop here. Now, I don't know that for sure, but that's what it looks like. And it looks like they're going to let it run off down into here, different way. And I think what they're going to do is they're going to fill this hole in right here and bring this up as level as they can get it to that point. And then level this out as high as this point. And then this, it looks as if they're going to take that roller concrete, that roller compacted concrete, and put here going down. And then concrete it in, of course, like they're doing down there and at the top. And then that's just going to be a valley with a great big wall, or not just a wall, but maybe another dam opening, you know what I mean? So they can open it up and let it run through the valley over here if they need to get more water out of the dam itself. They did say something to that effect, so that's what it looks like. But man, ain't that awesome? Wouldn't y'all agree that that's just absolute awesome right here? I mean, it really is. But anyway, folks, there's a few photos, and I'm going to show them to you, but you can see around this rock. And what they've done, they filled in, and this was holes all around this big rock and the rock on this side, and they're raising this up to the level of this rock and probably above. They're putting it all in here, so it's another rock, and we got about 17 of them. So this is showing more of them doing the same. And this is showing not much of nothing, but we can tell. And you can see they're using leveling devices for sure. Ah, there's one of the big drill points to where they're working at the emergency spillway. They pushed that one into the other one, and that one's done turned white from all the concrete running around out down in there. Done turned gray looking. Temporary walkways. They're building all kinds of things. Got all kinds of people working there. I figured we'd come over here and show everybody. Outflow is 10,830. Inflow 2295. And the level height is 59.56. Still dropping. Getting lower and lower, folks. And we're over here with our frequency rings and our hurricane that has made landfall, and you can see it on the map for sure. And we got a bunch of stuff flapping around over here on the East Coast, flaring up tonight. Bunch of scatter popping in there, if you see it. And let's see how many we can count. There's one. Blue scatter coming in there is really making it difficult to see. So we got about 14 of them in there tonight for sure. And oh, wait a minute, there's one right there too, close to the storm. There might be another one coming out here. There's another one coming out in here somewhere. I think it's coming from here. It's hard to see, you can't see everything there. Might be another one right there as well. So there's probably 17, maybe a little more. In fact, I just seen another one right there. So there's 18 running right about now with our frequency rings. Well, last night we talked about this machine being off. Tonight it's showing 0.00 millivolts, which it should be turned off, right?